In this demonstration, we will send a sales order to a customer for payment using Paya's integration into Acumatica. So first thing we'll do is we'll select our invoice, and we'll select from a list of the invoices here. And once we have that invoice open, we'll confirm that we have the proper invoice as well as the payment settings. If all is correct, we'll select the Create Quick Invoice option. At this point, we'll confirm the email address for the customer and confirm the due date. Once that's done, we'll select the OK button, and within a matter of seconds, you will see that that invoice was successfully generated and emailed to the customer. Now let's take a look at it from the perspective of the cardholder. As the cardholder, you will receive a message requesting that you click now for payment. Once that's done, you are brought to a page that's going to allow you to enter in your payment information. But you will be able to identify the sales order number, the date, the invoice date, the balance due, as well as the date due of the invoice. Any line items associated with that sales order will also be displayed on this page. So next thing to do is to enter in the payment details. Once all the payment details are added, you'll check your box that you agree to the terms, and your cardholder will press pay. Once that's done, you will receive your confirmation page here, letting you know that the payment was successfully processed. You'll see the payment amount. You'll also see the payment date, last 4 digits of the card number, and the 6-digit authorization code. And if there were a remaining balance, that would also be displayed here. And finally, you do have the option of moving forward with printing on a full sheet of paper if necessary. At this point, you have successfully emailed a sales order to your customer, and you've allowed your customer to make that payment using Acumatica and Paya's integration for the quick invoicing feature.